Hey, look. We in this bitch on, so don't count us out, you feel me?
Niggas going bananas right now.
You see all this shit? It's $560 worth of snacks, you feel me?
Crazy.
Smack all this shit. This shit finna be gone by next week. This shit over with. Peace. We got a little shit, man. We in the pen. We in the penitentiary, man. We doing our thing, man.
Doing numbers, nigga. Good, on top. Burger King in the corner, you know.
Everybody's a burger. This is a bacon burger for Burger King, man.
All type of high power shit,
high
nigga.
Power on this shit.
Holla, man.
We in this bitch go. We in this bitch on, man. Holla.
Life, realistically speaking, he's hitting his clutch. He's in a fast lane. Some say he's doing too much. They tell him the slowest road before we end up dead. He's riding through the streets with eyes in the back of his head. It's getting kinda rough where he's from. He's trying to stay low, even though it's roots to the game. But y'all know how the game go. Jealousy and greed's lurking around him at all times. He's seen so many people get smoked for nickels and dimes. It's done got to the point that he don't trust people at all. Cause somebody sitting back waiting on him to fall. And he can't take it no more. He's losing focus for real. He's riding through Louisville with a 9mm concealed. He grew up too early, driven by the struggles of life, exposed to getting fast money. His game is precise, and if he died in the streets, he probably wouldn't be surprised. He said when he died, smile for him, wipe the teardrops from your eyes. He can't remember the last time he cried. Open casket at his wake, probably when his homie died. Took a look at his body as he looked up at his mom's, thinking how much he would give just to hold him in her arms. Teardrops is all he seeing when he's looking around. Told his mother to keep her head up and don't be looking down. Though we walk through the valley of death, still he's trying to fight. Though it's dark where it come from, he's still looking for some light. Got the spirit of a thug in him and he can't deny. He's hoping the Lord have mercy on us, so when he died, he a sinner, he trying to confess, he turned to God and only God, cause he know when it comes down to God's the only one that really know him.